Attitude, where we tell you your future.
How to impress a Scorpio woman? On a first date with a Scorpio woman, follow these love tips. First of all, keep the conversation neutral but interesting. Secondly, tell her about your accomplishments. Thirdly, wear subtle but musky cologne. Fourth, watch her eyes for clues to her interest. Fifth, respond to body language and suggestive looks. Scorpio females are veiled in mystery and keep a shrewd eye on anyone who enters their orbit. They read deeply into your being, so don't pretend to be someone you're not. The Scorpio sign dances with power and surrender. She will test your strength and size you up as a potential lover. She has an intense urge to merge, yet wants to be sure of what she is doing. Scorpio season is when you feel pulled into unseen worlds. She'll be attracted by unsolved mysteries such as discovering the shadowy terrain of your psyche. She won't stick around long if you play up your insecurities. She wants to discover you, who you are, not have it handed to her on a platter. She's drawn to men with determination, ambition, sexual confidence, spirituality, and self-control. Confidence and achievement are key to them. Scorpio in love is all-absorbing, intense, and possessive. Mind you, don't tell all to them. Revealing your dating history is usually a blunder. That goes double with Scorpio women. The sun sign of Scorpio woman may be horrified if you spill sexual secrets, a sign of how you'd treat a relationship with her. She's attracted to a discreet man who won't betray her. On a first date, follow these Scorpio love tips. Keep the conversation neutral but interesting. Tell her about your accomplishments. Wear subtle but musky cologne. Watch her eyes for clues to her interest. Respond to body language and suggestive looks. The Scorpio woman enjoys playing with her sexual power. Avoid coming on too strong or too soon. Show respect to her. Leave space for her desire to grow, intensified with sensual looks and touches. Be a slow hand lover and don't act on impulse. A big issue for Scorpio women is respect. They are all or nothing when it comes to giving themselves, so they want to know a man who won't bail if passion gets intense. A slow build where trust is the foundation is best. Try gestures of devotion, not sentimental or cutesy signals. Even though Scorpio is a water sign, there's a definite realism about them. They quickly spot boasters without real life experience. Often, Scorpio women have a solid sense of their strengths and weaknesses. It might pay to be frank about your own without falling into self-pity or overconfidence. A Scorpio woman can be serious and doesn't appreciate teasing when she's wrestling with problems. She responds well to someone who respects her inner needs. If you understand the ebb and flow, you can give her the space she needs to work it out. Scorpio women are focused doers, often with pragmatic views of life. They may see you into a situation physically, but they are grounded in reality. They are attracted to determined and productive men who don't waste their natural talents. Remain steady. Scorpio is a fixed sign like others in this category, like Taurus, Leo, Aquarius. They gravitate to what will be ongoing instead of one-nighters. The Scorpio woman only shows her true vulnerability in a bond of trust. For a first date, pick some place with real atmosphere. A secret or exclusive spot like a speakeasy gives them the sense of the clandestine that they crave for. How to make a Scorpio female fall in love with you. People who believe in astrology think Scorpio women are passionate, independent, and complex, often surrounding themselves with an air of mystery. Being in a relationship with a Scorpio woman can be an intense and thrilling experience, but it also has the potential to grow into a long lasting relationship. Focus on being honest and trustworthy, giving her enough space to be herself, and planning thoughtful surprises. It may take some time to get her to open up, but it'll be worth it. Be assertive, confident, and sincere to get her attention. Women who identify as Scorpios are generally driven and confident and don't want to waste time on someone shy, deceitful, or unsure of themselves. She'll be able to tell if you're putting on a front, so start things off right by being yourself. Being assertive doesn't mean the same things as being aggressive. You can be assertive by speaking confidently and by standing behind what you believe. Take your time pursuing her to create an air of mystery. If you come on strong with your romantic feelings, you risk pushing her away. It can be hard to gain a Scorpio woman's trust, so take the time to get to know her likes, dislikes, hobbies, and friends. Try some of these fun ways to get to know her better. Pay attention to her social media to see what kind of things she likes. Ask her open-ended questions to get her to talk about herself more. Try saying, "Tell me more," to get her to share some personal information with you. Invite her to go out for a drink or meal so you can spend one-on-one time together. Avoid being clingy or controlling. A Scorpio woman typically loves her independence, and astrologists say that a major turn-off is when someone tries to cramp her lifestyle. If you call or text her, try to not contact her again until she responds to you. If she turns down a date or says she is busy, wait a week before trying again. Avoid telling her how she should act, dress, or deal with a situation unless she asks for an advice. If she does ask for your help or opinion about something, that is a great sign and means she is beginning to trust you. A tip: remember that she is a dynamic and complex individual. It may be tempting to say she has certain characteristics because she's a Scorpio, but she is an individual and can't fit into a box. Shower her with thoughtful gifts and compliments to show you know her. Pay attention to what she likes and talks about to get gift ideas. When you pay her a compliment, make it specific, and while you can compliment her looks, don't neglect her intelligence, humor, and attitude too. For example, if she mentions that she loves a specific coffee shop, stop by there and get her a gift card or something. Or if she is always running late because she has just hit the gym, you could get her a gift certificate for a massage or a new yoga mat. To compliment her sincerely, keep things specific. For example, instead of saying "you look nice today," say something like, "that color of blue brings out your beautiful eye color." Or tell her you admire something she accomplished recently, like running a marathon or acing a presentation at work. Plan romantic surprises to sweep her off her feet. A romantic weekend away, a dinner at a high-end restaurant, tickets to her favorite musical, grand gestures can go on and on a long way in getting her to fall for you. Plus, taking a risk and planning something big shows her that you're confident and willing to take charge sometimes. Romantic surprises don't have to be expensive. For example, if she's a book lover, surprise her by taking her to a reading by an author she loves. Or plan a special picnic lunch complete with champagne. Be 100% honest, otherwise, you risk losing her trust. While she may like a little bit of mystery, lying and dishonesty will ruin your relationship. Commit to telling the truth and acting in a trustworthy way. This means not having other relationships on the side or hiding anything from her. If you did lie about something, come clean about it before she catches you. Respect her boundaries and encourage her interests and friendships. A great way to keep your relationship vibrant is to make sure she is taking the time she needs for herself. If she feels stifled or bored, she is going to grow to resent you. For example, if there is a class she wants to take, encourage her to register. If she loves going out with her friends on the weekend, don't try to monopolize all of her. Allow her to take the lead to nurture her independence. Unless she gives you a signal that she wants you to take charge, it'll help to balance in your relationship if you let her give advice and make decisions. This will show her that you respect her intelligence and value her leadership. As she trusts you more and more, chances are she'll ask for your help with things. But if you try to take control of the relationship, she might withdraw from you. A tip: make it a point to ask for her advice about your work, friendships, and life decisions. She'll feel valued and will probably have some really good opinions to share. Experience and learn new things together to keep things fresh. In addition to making sure that she feels independent and challenged in her personal life, make sure you're experiencing things together to help create a stronger bond. Take a cooking class together, travel somewhere new, join a book club, train for a marathon, or do a home project together. Every couple of weeks, come up with something new to do if you feel like things are getting a little too normal. A tip: if you do hurt her or lie to her, give her space to figure out what she wants and how she feels. It may take some time, but if you hound her, she'll start to drift away from you. Be hesitant to overshare when you're first getting to know her, but if she asks questions about your life, feel free to go deep and give her heartfelt answers. What does a Scorpion woman want from a man? Scorpio women have a fascination for the mysterious, the challenging, and the intriguing in life. They find intrigue seductive. Hence, men that appear a mystery to them catch their attention quickly and impress them. They want to decipher them and know more about them. The woman born under the Scorpio zodiac sign has a taste for challenges in life. For the more difficult you will be to conquer, the more she will be attracted to you. Scorpio women have a knack for figuring out false pretenses. They cannot stand dishonesty. The Scorpio female respects an honest man and a man of his word. This is a quality she particularly values in a man. Since she is quite a strong-minded individual, she looks for the same trait in her partner. How to keep a Scorpio woman interested? If you can make seduction an all-day affair, you will keep her hooked. Pretend like she must be permanently seduced and conquered. Scorpio women get bored quite easily and you will have to keep her engaged. Organize a spontaneous date in an unusual place from time to time. Take her out, set up an elaborate dinner for her, or give an unexpected twist to some activity you two enjoy doing together. Reveal a new and intriguing skill of yours to her, or show her that you possess an extra talent like music or an interest in arts. It will for sure impress her. The ultimate key to keeping a Scorpio woman interested is to break with the routine. Show her your love and interest, but always in a unique way, and she will stay interested in you. Figure out what she likes, buy her presents, allure to her refined tastes, and show her she is the center of your universe. Do that frequently, not too often, not too rarely. How to get her to commit? Appealing to a Scorpion's ego is the easiest way to get them to commit. So, if you can make a Scorpio woman believe you are just as unique and irresistible as she is, she will not let you go away. To get a Scorpion woman to commit requires her trust first of all. Once she starts trusting you, she will like you more and more each day. Scorpio women usually commit when she truly believes that you deserve her, are reliable, and are engaging as a person. It isn't a wise choice to fool around a Scorpio woman, for she will quickly sense it. If you are serious in your relationship with her, she will notice it and commit to you. Stability is an important factor to get her to commit. Mutual trust, stability, and reciprocity are of great significance for her. How do you know if a Scorpio woman is falling for you? Scorpions have a reputation for not easily exhibiting their feelings. But when a Scorpio woman is in love, she cannot hide it. You can notice from her behavior she is not as usual. Here are a few signs that tell you if a Scorpio female likes you more than a friend. She always says yes to a date with you. If a Scorpio woman comes out with an affirmative to every occasion you ask her out on a date, she is indeed falling for you. She has eyes only for you. Scorpio women are usually secretive about their personal lives and issues, but if you have earned her liking, she will share all these things with you. A sure sign of her liking is her vulnerability. She does not crumble unless it's in the company of people. She truly loves and adores. She is a sensual woman, and once she has fallen for a man, physical intimacy need not be asking for. If she is falling in love with you, she will trust you and your choices. Best love compatibility with a Scorpio woman. Women of this zodiac sign are most compatible with men from water signs like Pisces and Cancer, or earth signs like Virgo and Capricorn. Scorpio women are independent, bold, and tough. They live life on their own terms and are usually the dominant ones in a relationship. Since Scorpio itself is a water sign, it is compatible with men from other water signs like Pisces and Cancer. She would connect with a partner from the water signs on an emotional level. Scorpio women are also compatible with earth signs. The earth and water signs attract each other and have balancing qualities. Scorpio women are not quite compatible with men from air signs like Libra or Gemini. Even if they hit off well initially, the relationship would not be a long-term one. Scorpio women are a stark contrast to men from the fire signs like Aries and Leo. So this is not the best love compatibility for the Scorpio woman.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.